Welcome to Green Office Partner Training. I want to show you how you can take a hard copy document and convert it into an editable file, Word, Excel, or PDF. You simply click on the CapturePoint app on the user interface. It's going to be connecting, validating license. You can hit try, and you can have 30 documents that you can go ahead and scan. Once you hit the try, it's going to go and activate the capture point. You simply click your destination, whether it's email, Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, SharePoint 365. As you can see, there's a number of different places that you can go ahead and scan your document. We're going to go email. You can choose to have it one-sided or two-sided, what language you would like it to be converted into, if you want color or black and white, and then what type of document you want it to be, a PDF, a Word, or Excel. We're going to hit Word. You click the arrow. You click the email address that you want to send to. I'll put mine in here, tgreenlaw@greenofficepartner.com. Hit enter. And simply hit the little app here. You'll see it's scanning my job. Takes a couple moments for it to scan. It's converting that document using OCR capabilities, so Optical Character Recognition. So it's going to allow you to take that hard copy document and edit it and then save it again.